How to upload a resume to Glassdoor. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video on HowGenic. If you've just created your account of Glassdoor and have not added in your resume, let me exactly show you the section where you can do so. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Once you're inside of the platform of Glassdoor, you just need to head over to your profile, which is this human icon on the top right of the screen, and then head over to profile. Once you're inside of your profile, make sure you scroll down, and right here you can see the section called resume. You'll also have the option or the section called upload resume so that you can select your own files from your device. Make sure that your resume is in one of these file types. Once you select your resume will start to upload, and within a few seconds it will be fully uploaded, and you also will be able to review it and either click on remove resume or click on looks good if you have completed the review. And there you go, the resume now has been successfully uploaded. If you want, you can also change up and edit your resume. You can click on the three dotted line, click on delete, make your changes, and then re-upload the file. So that's the exact way that you can upload a resume inside of Glassdoor. If you are interested in more future videos that are similar to this, make sure you hit that notification bell as well as subscribe to this channel. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.